I'm Nicola. I'm a professional organiser based in Edinburgh. I am married with 3 children. I have my stepson who's 26, my son is 15 and my daughter is 9. Prior to setting up my own business, I was a health and safety advisor with a large local authority for 17 years. I decided to take a career break around 5 years ago to spend more time with my daughter before she started primary school, and just to be around for the kids to, take them to school and pick them up and things. Over the last few years, whilst I enjoyed my time off, I knew that I wanted to go back to work, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted a complete change from what I'd been doing before. Last summer when we were on holiday, I had a bit of a light bulb moment and decided that I would become a professional organiser. When I embarked on that journey, I hadn't really thought about the ins and outs of setting up my own business. I had been messaging a couple of other organisers that I'd got to know as I was starting my journey, and it was one of those ladies who was actually one of the first participants of Amy's course, and she highly recommended the course to me and had advised that it really helped her get off the ground a lot quicker than she would have been able to on her own. Before I'd started Amy's course, I had no idea where to begin. There's just so much to think about, and I had no idea where to start. The course was so comprehensive, covers everything you need to know about setting up your own business, from insurance to registering your business, just everything that you need to know, and so many things I just would not have thought about. And the amount that's achieved in such a short space of time is incredible. Some of the main things that I did as the course went on was, registering my business, setting up insurance, having accountancy software. Amy provided a lot of templates. I was able to, sort them for my own business and make changes to those. I'd thought about the packages that I was going to offer, the pricing that I would use, just so many things that I did not think could possibly be achieved in a matter of weeks. One of the main things that I just thought was incredible from Amy's course was the fact that you have your website up and running in a matter of weeks. When I started the journey, I had no idea that I hadn't even thought that I would have a website, and to have a website is included in part of this course is just amazing. Just in terms of to kind of give you an indication of time frame, I only finished Amy's course on the 23rd of November, and I launched my business on the 1st of December with everything in place, all the legalese, everything, including a website. It was just amazing. I launched on the 1st of December, I had my first client before Christmas, and I've had a steady flow of clients since then. And it's just, my business is really starting to grow and flourish, and it's incredible, and it just offers me such flexibility. I can work around my children, my husband's availability to drop off and pick up the kids and things. So it's amazing, and just being your own boss is just such a great feeling. If you're on the fence, I honestly would get off the fence, get in touch with Amy and book. You will absolutely not regret it. Amy's incredibly knowledgeable, she's extremely supportive and goes above and beyond to help you get your business off the ground, and do everything that she can to ensure that you'll have a successful professional organising business.